Hello and welcome to Greg's Kitchen. I'm Greg, your host, and today I'm going to be making a hot dog using one of my best friends in the kitchen, the air fryer. Now these are really easy to do and you can sort of add whatever you like. Whatever you like on your hot dog, add it to it. It turns out perfect every time and it tastes amazing. Let's start making it. So the things that I like on my hot dog are onions, tomato sauce, mustard, and cheese. And for my bread today, I'm using one of these soft wraps. Now, this is the hot dog I'm using. It's a lot of people always say, Greg, why are your hot dogs red? Well, what do you expect them to be, blue? Anyway, these hot dogs always remind me of a really hard night. But a good one. Let's start making it. Alright, well, we'll start off with the base. Now, we'll put some tomato sauce. Oh no, I'm running out. Oh dear. Well, just... Oh dear, that doesn't look very appetizing, does it? It actually looks like the inside of my pants after that big night I was just talking about. Keep it clean, Greg. There's kids watching for some reason. Okay. Add some mustard, man. Yeah, yeehaw, America. Get some onion. Some nice raw onion. I love the taste of raw onion. So I'll crack some of that on. Not the outside shell bit though. The inside good bit. Now let's add some cheese on there. This will help hold it together and add heaps of good ketoness. Even though the bread isn't keto, who cares? The rest of it is, and that's all that matters, right? Now we stick our sausage in. Oh! And we just start rolling it up. Alrighty, let's start cooking it. Alright, so I just need to pull it out so I can stick the sausage in. Put it thingamby side down where the fold is so it doesn't unravel. Now we'll stick the sausage in. Stop! And we'll go to a super high heat, 200 degrees Celsius. That's about 390 to 400 Farabajingles. And we need to cook it for about 6 minutes. Alrighty, well the timer's gone off. Oh yeah, looking good. Can't wait to tuck on in for the old hot dog in a wrap cooked in the air fryer. Taste test! But first, we should probably cut it in half, huh? Oh, yeah. That looks good. That's what it looks like underneath, all around. And in my mouth, it looks like this. Oh, oh, oh. Mm. Mmm. 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 That tastes good. Anyway, there you go. A nice, simple, easy recipe for you. I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy these videos, remember to show them some thumb and love. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time when I cook something equally as healthy for you. See you then. Oh yeah, this is great.